Okay, so let's say you have a line graph, and the first thing you want to notice, of course, are the values on the x and y axis. On the x-axis, we have time. On the y-axis, we have distance. So, so what they might ask you is something along the lines of, okay, we have a certain graph, what are values at certain points or certain segments on the graph they give you? So let me just set up a rough sketch here of our graph. So there we go. That's our first segment we're going to look at, and it's all connected, of course. But the second one I have, okay, go right here. Oh, okay. And then perhaps the graph keeps going. All right, so what they might say is, all right, what is the value of segment AB? And or they might say it as how many miles, right? Our distance here is measured in miles of travel are represented by section AB of the graph. All they mean is if you go from right A to B, how many miles have you traveled? So that means that here at A, we're at 4 minutes, right? And we're at 4 miles. So A is 4. Well, where is B? Well, B is at 10 minutes and they're at 7 miles. So that's at 4, 7. So we've gone from 4 miles to 7 miles. So we just subtract the y values. It's as simple as that. So here they traveled 7 minus 4, or 3 miles. And if you want to look at the time, you could say, well, then in 10, oops, sorry, 4, 7, 10 minus 4, or 6 minutes. So they traveled 3 miles in 6 minutes. And you can even set the ratio, right? 3 miles per 6 minutes, and then work from there. You could scale this up by 10, and they would go 30 miles, right, in 60 minutes, or 30 miles per hour. All right, hope this helped.